A keychain for a school project that has the team name on it. Aether. A 3D printer that I am currently CADing. All the red pieces are 3D printable. It will have a build volume of 120 by 120 by 200. A concrete planter, geometric. The Mudhorn singlet from the famous show The Mandalorian. A miniature chess set that fits into an Altoid stem. More concrete planters, except this time they're spiral. A replacement knob for an old table saw. An ear that doubles as a refrigerator magnet. A nose that also doubles as a refrigerator magnet. There it is, stuck on the refrigerator. Just look at those holes. Fusion 360 logo. A hand that looks like a claw. One of my first projects. Mr. Triceratops in his lovely tuxedo. A necklace of a flower. Flash's ring, printed at 0.12mm layer height. An AirPods case for a friend. Artemis Fowl's glasses inspired from the cover art of the last book, The Last Guardian. They really messed up that movie. A sword, size of a pencil. Clasps, to replace the broken zipper on my violin case. Gears, because why not?